Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 9. So for that we will need the settings for, so just scroll down here, then you will have here the symbol for the settings, so tap it. And then we will need here the first point, about phone. Tap it. And here we will need the MIUI version number. And if you tap this MIUI version number now for 7 times or more, then there will be a countdown, which one is a bit slow, but after we are a developer for the phone. Here it is. Okay, go now back one step to the main settings and then scroll down now to the point additional settings. And here we will have at the last point the developer options. So, and now you can enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or all the other stuff you need. And if you are ready with, so just also if you want, you can disable them here as well. And yeah, if you go back, they are still there, but it takes a few seconds and so on. But if I go out now and go back again, they are disappeared here. So, but you can enable them again by tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, as I have shown you before. Yup. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.